Hi, in this video I am going to teach you how to make flexible duct in HVAC. The flexible duct has these are the sizes: 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch and 10 inches. Mostly we use 6 inch, 8 inch and sometimes 10 inches also. Before to make this one, we have to make one spline. Just make one spline. Spline should be 3 points, should not be more than 3 points. Just enter. It means 1, 2 and 3. 3 point is enough. Like that. Okay. Now for example we want to make 8 inch flexible. Okay. Just make 8 inches, convert 8 inches into mm. This will be 200 mm. 8 inches equal to 200 mm. I make a copy like this. Now I have two methods, one method with ellipse and one method with we may create an object and then we will give the path. The first one with ellipse is easy, EL. Like that. Change its color to yellow just to make it clear in video. Okay, now here we have to create one object. Let me show you how to create one mirror like that. Create this shape and match the color. Make a mirror. Make a line like this. Match. Now make block this object be entered. Give any name, not a problem. Now move and put it here. This is ellipse. Bring ellipse here. Make a little bit tight like this, so that the flexible will be more clear. Like that. Now we have to apply a command array AR. Select your object, enter, and then press the path like this. We have spacing between the objects. Let's decrease this space. Now it's 58 for example. Make it 45, 44, 40. Okay, make it 40. Then check. Yeah, it's great. Okay, this is one method. Then this one also we have to follow same. Array, select object, path, select the path and decrease the spacing. For example, here I want 60, then 50, decrease more. Okay, I make it 40. Yeah, this is fine for me. Now how to connect with this one? Why I make 3 points? Because now we can control this object or flexible with these points. Now for example, this part will be connected to the duct like that. Okay, then press here. Okay, now we have 3 points. I make this point, I take it there, and this point up to here. Okay, this is our flexible duct. Here also, if you want to edit with this one, adjust this here, and then just select with this one and take it there. Okay, this is called flexible duct. Like that, we give this flexible duct connect with a ring. At the side they make a ring, they connect a ring with the duct and then ring to the flexible. This is called ring. So that in details you can see in Google or somewhere what kind of ring. See, you have to show like this. So flexible, flexible. So these two methods mostly I use for my projects. That's it.